Introducing a light and camera all-in-one that installs in seconds. Anyone can safely install it with practically no effort. See? What's more, it's environmentally friendly. Sustainable solar charging brings forever power. Just 2 hours of sunlight to keep it running for a whole day.
Equipped with power-efficient, motion-activated lights that turn on when needed, saving energy and staying vigilant for your safety. Capturing suspicious events in full color and instantly alerting you when anything unusual is detected. Try the two-way audio or scare them off with the sound and light alarm.
Get away from my house!
It's always there, a shining beacon to guide your family home and keep them safe around the clock. Stick, light, watch. Eufy Solar Wall Light Cam. Forever power, hassle-free security.